Okay, I'm here with Alex and Malcolm from the Wells Solutions Centre. Guys, this is your latest call for ideas. What is the process all about?
The open call process is a mechanism where we at the OGTC go out, work with industry to define some key challenges, and then go out to the innovation community to try and source solutions to those challenges.
And what is this recent call trying to achieve?
So this is our third call for the Wells Solutions Centre, and it's around restoring shut-in wells. So its focus is really around about how do we actually get the wells that are currently closed in due to technical issues or well management issues back online and get the production from those wells.
So Alex, what will this call focus on? What are the focus areas?
So we've got three themes within the call, first of which is downhole power generation and storage, and the second one is downhole isolation, water and gas shut-off, and downhole safety valves, and the third theme is reducing the cost of well entry.
And what kind of technologies do you think are key to solving some of these challenges? What do you expect to come through as a result of this process?
Well, we're really looking for some game changers that can really move the goalposts. The existing technology, things like slickline technology, haven't really changed fundamentally for decades. So we don't really know. We're hoping for some novel and innovative approaches.
And who are you trying to reach out to, Malcolm? Who do you expect to come through and submit into this latest call for ideas?
Anybody and everybody, to be honest. I mean, obviously we are open for all submissions. We're trying to engage with academia, with research institutes, with SMEs, with other service operators, service companies, and potentially, ideas from anybody at all.
And this is a big issue, obviously, for the North Sea. You've said that, and the OGA recently published some new findings looking at the opportunity to unlock these shut-in wells. What can you say about that?
Yes, that was in the OGA's Well Insights report, which came out last year, which again talked to the 30% of wells shut in, a lot of them for integrity reasons. And the real challenge is that to get access to intervene in wells usually at the moment takes high proportion of personnel out on a rig or on a platform to intervene, and a large amount of equipment, and it's challenging to do that. So I think it was something like 14% of wells are only intervened with on an annual basis. So there's a huge opportunity if we can increase that rate to get them more and get more and get better value out of these wells.
So with this call for ideas, Malcolm, what's on the table? What's the offer?
So we've got an offer which is really around co-funding projects. We'll work with industry to select the successful projects, and then we've got up to £1 million of OGTC combined with industry co-funding to invest in that portfolio of projects. And as part of our offer, we don't take any IP, we're just looking for the technology to bring that forward to add value to the industry.
Alex, Malcolm, thanks very much.